Deep in the dense forest, a massive wildfire suddenly broke out. Panic spread as animals ran for their lives, desperately searching for safety. But in the midst of the chaos, a tiny sparrow was doing something different. It flew back and forth to a nearby river, carrying tiny drops of water in its beak and dropping them onto the flames. A larger animal watched in disbelief and finally asked, "What are you doing? That little bit of water won't make a difference." The sparrow smiled and replied, "I'm just doing my part." The message from this little bird is simple. Even the smallest effort matter. Don't underestimate small actions. They are the first steps toward big change. Do your part to make the world a better place.